15 needle or 10 needle to make the tattoo. 15 needles. So sometimes you can really feel the pain when you get to know each other. Send me your information. We can get to know each other. Send me your information. So many your tattoos. I like. Oh, it's raining outside, guys. Had you breakfast? Not yet. It's so early. It's 5:38. Later, I'm gonna grab breakfast. And of course, I have to cook first. For us. For all the people in this house. Later, I'm gonna cooking. Very painful. It is. Especially when, here. This is very pain, guys. This one. This is small, but right here. Maybe it's because there's a bone right here. You can really feel the needle touching your bone. My gosh. But you can, you can handle it because you're excited to finish it. You're excited the result. So yeah. Do you have two tattoos at your breast? Not yet. This is it. This one only. Before, when I was covering the scar here, this one, this another tattoo here. This is big, right? Because this is the scar, the big scar. Because I burned myself last 1 year ago. I am cooking and the hot water and the oil is filled here. Because I am dancing, guys, while I'm cooking. So that's happening. I can't walk like 1 month because it's infected. Because I did not see a doctor right away. So that's what's happening. That's why I covered it with tattoo because it's not nice to look at. Because it becomes keloid like that's tattoo long lasting. Yeah, until you die, the tattoo was there. It's in your skin. What is hapto? Let's see your left hip. My goodness. Thank you guys for the 1 million in the house. Thank you for the likes. Oops, lifetime. Yes, lifetime until we die. Until you die. You have that tattoo. I can make tattoos mark at your neck with my goodness, I know. Prasad, hello. Not only tattoo but also your beauty and sweetness too lasting. I'm not sweet. It depends on how you treat me. If you're not good to me, I will treat you rude. I'm not sweet. Like all time sweet. My attitude is it depends on how someone treat me. I am just, I'm just honest here. If you treat me good, I definitely treat you good. If you treat me bad, I will turn back to you like 3 times. Ay, nako. And hot like chili. My friend, are you from India or are you from